How to install Peacock TV app on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store icon from your iPhone's home screen and navigate to the App Store. Once done, tap on the search address bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then in the search bar, type down Peacock TV and search. Now, locate the Peacock TV app in the search results. And all you have to do is tap on the Get button next to the app. You'll be authenticated to download using your Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID. Since I don't have Peacock TV app available on my Reason, so I am giving you an example showing the original Peacock TV app available on App Store. If you already have an Peacock account, tap sign in and enter your credentials, or if you are new to Peacock, then tap sign up to create a free account. Peacock TV is available in the United States, and if you are outside the US, you may need to use a US Apple ID to access the app. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.